We have an exciting new product by Wallpro Tools. This is the Wallpro Multi Tool skin, and would you believe it, it fits a Makita battery. So we're going to test it out right now. I'm going to splice along that back drip edge there with this new multi tool. So let's check it out, what is in the box. The box includes, we haven't even opened this yet. It's a nice little size one. Feels quality. That's the little gripper. Comes with a few different attachments. You got your sanders. You got your sander, that obviously is like a Velcro that goes on there, and a few extra bits. Looks like the same size as the Makita one and any other ones, so you'll be able to just buy extra ones of these and these as well. These are normally all universal as well, so you can go out and buy different blades that you want. It does come with one blade. I think it's a great idea that you can plug in a Makita battery. It's in properly, folks. Alright, spin that all the way. That's it. It's nice and lightweight, and it's small. It's narrow so you can get into tight places. So let's give it a go. That's the tool. Wallpro Makita battery compatible. Very nice. I do believe you'll have to check out for yourself. They have attachments that you can put other batteries on there as well. They also have a LED light as well, which Makita battery can plug in, and it has a USB charger on the side so you can charge your phones and everything like that. But that is the Wallpro Multi Tool with a Makita battery. Pretty good. You like it, Huge?
I do. I don't know if it's pricing, but I think it's a good thing.